Yeah, I have a fag mic. It was $20 though.
Alright, we're starting. And I'm recording right now too.
Yo, I wonder what my voice would sound
Probably a little squeakier.
like. No, you don't say it, retard.
Oh shit.
Let's see if we can actually find all 8 for once.
This way.
Yeah, no,
Follow me. Me and my friend beat her on Nightmare. It was only me and him though.
Me and Flavor did Area 51 on Nightmare and that scared us. We didn't even last 5 minutes.
Oh. This fucking hall is where me and my friend almost died.
Let's not go there then. That's a good idea. Is to not go there at all. Let's look.
There's one here.
Let's look for recordings over here.
There's one over here, retard.
That's kind of rude. Where? Oh, he's already there. Flavor, get out of there. How is he already
Where are
there?
you guys at?
Flavor, where is?
Where you guys at?
Flavor, oh, there's Smiles.
Oh, over here. Over here.
We're going, dude. The guy's already over there behind us.
Oh, I need my water. I need my water.
Oh, you're thirsty as hell.
I am. I'm not turning around.
Fuck you, not thinking about water makes me thirsty, man. Fuck you, man.
Run, roll it over.
Yo, I'm relative to 10 subscribers. If you think about water while you're watching this video, you're gonna get thirsty.
10 subscribers, I have 35, nerd. Which is actually more than I thought I would ever get. Maybe not overall, but with I'm not even uploading that much.
Oh my god, he's to the right of us.
I know, I'm not.
I hear this fat.
Dude, I hear him too. I hear him breathing. He's like on my shoulder.
He's nowhere. I just did a full.
No, he's to the right of us.
The only 360s you do are when you're going for bills on ghosts.
I just did a full 360. He is.
Oh God.
I think there's a dildo inside this room. Yeah, there is. Yep. Okay, don't get it.
Stay on the walls.
Right past it. Yo, business.
Yo, steal this big art.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, steal this painting and get out. This is our only mission, is to steal this painting right here.
Fucking monster.
Look how detailed that painting is. I'm about to steal that and call it my own. I don't want to know if he's behind us, so don't ask that question. How'd you get through there?
Mike, Flavor, your mic. Go right to the
Flavor, fix your mic. Oh god. Is that an upstairs?
You know how if you, it's like a little ramp. You know how if you're walking backwards you can't get
It's outside.
What if you just sit in a corner?
Oh, where is
the
he?
fuck was he?
Where is he?
My screen just flat.
Me too, I didn't even see him.
He's in there. He's in there.
Oh god, it flashed again.
I barely saw him.
Was he behind that?
That's scary, like.
Was he behind that art piece in the middle? I thought so. I thought I saw a little glimpse of him.
My heart sank as soon as I heard.
My heart's still sinking, dude. I'm scared. Ladies first, please. Did you just walk?
He teleported right in front of me, dude.
Dude, he's in.
Yo, what would happen if we did that? What would happen if I just sit there? You wouldn't be able to get me because I'm not.
Yeah, me and my friend did that. He was straight up behind us and he was hidden in the corner. He didn't do jack
Yeah,
shit.
me and my friends did that too, but he tapped on each one of our teammates. Oh, let's follow the blood prints.
Yeah, good idea.
It's like, hey, how you doing?
I don't want to be in the back. I don't want to be in the back.
You did what? That bitch?
You guys know that feeling of running and then when you look back up, he's gonna be right in front of you when your light shines?
Mm-hmm.
It's so scary. Turn your light off.
Yeah, and you just get, dude, I did that when I was following Smiles. He'd flash, and like, it'd be so scary because.
Can we see each other's lights blinking on and off when we do this?
Oh my god, he's to the right of us. Fucking shit.
I'm not looking.
Oh, I can see him. I see his little head.
Me too.
I see his head.
Oh, and then my screen just did that. Oh, he's there again.
Oh, he's to the left of us. Man, fucking fat bitch. I swear to God, I'll cut off your balls.
I'm not turning around, dude. He's gonna be on my shoulder.
He's like,
Have we been here already?
Where we have.
I think we have. We have to go back in that room where we saw him staring at us. Behind that art piece, because I think I saw a tape. Dude, I hear him breathing.
That's where one of the tapes were at, but...
Yeah, well, it's only sprint from the... Oh, here we go.
Yo, turn around. He's like right.
No, I'm not turning around.
You go straight. Where?
Look above us, those are some beautiful stars.
Yeah, you're gonna look back down and you're gonna see some stars.
I already looked back down, and nothing happened yet. It will, though, in good time. Go in here.
Whoa, where'd you guys go?
Yeah, right. You're right behind us. Yo, I hear him. This is scary.
Still left to us. Oh yeah, there's a tape in here.
Here we go. Oh, God.
Wait for me.
What do you mean, wait for you? Where are you? I hear a tape. It's right there.
Oh my god, we're in a room with.
Oh, that scared me. This is scary. This room
Is
is...
there a second tape?
Yeah, this is the only number 2.
Jesus.
Oh, God.
Dude, I cough and sneeze at the same time. I don't think that's good.
Let me get the next tape, because I don't have any characters unlocked. Oh, God. I don't want to unlock him, because I have to play by myself. Okay, here's a new room we haven't been in. If I played this by myself, I would keep my light on.
Oh, there's one right in front of us.
Oh, it's on the wall. Check our corners, make sure he's not there.
Snatch and grab that shit.
Snatch and grab it.
Oh
Look
my
straight.
god, I heard that.
I hear people whispering.
Yeah, there's a little girl.
That's...
I want your dick. I want your dick now. I bet he's fucking waiting for the worst jump scare of
I know, because I haven't seen him in like 3 minutes.
ages, dude.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking
Ages.
too. Dude, oh, there he is. He's right to our right.
I'm not looking.
Alright, at least we know.
I want to see how long I can go without seeing him.
Well,
Take a right over here.
yo, where'd you guys go? My flashlight is dying. I can't
Take a right. Oh, there's a green dildo over there. Avoid that.
Oh, God, there he is.
What the fuck was that?
He's too alright. Alright.
That really scared me. To be honest.
I hear him breathing
My
over my
biggest fear
shoulder.
now is my sister coming in here saying food's ready, and I'm fucking trip myself.
ready.
I know, somebody opened my door right now. I'm scared. Oh!
Is he behind you?
He got me. I jumped.
He got you. Oh my god, Flavor,
Oh.
where are you?
I don't know.
Dude, oh my God. My body's still shaking.
Are you behind me?
Where are you guys?
Found him.
Oh, God.
Did he get you too?
No, he didn't, but he's sprinting.
Dangerous to go alone. What?
You guys are on the opposite... You guys are on the opposite ends of each other. Smiles, you see me? Right here?
I'm gonna die!
Here, follow me, whoever this is. Oh, he got you. Dude, I jumped because I didn't even see him coming.
You know, I'm just gonna sit in the corner and accept my fate. Take me.
My heart started beating
Or any
really fast.
Oh, he scared me. He scared the dookie out of me. What's up, guys? At least I know I'm in good company.
No, you're not. He's right behind you.
No, he isn't. Remember, Blaze is like, oh, Mamacita!
Mamacita.
He
Yo, I'm
made
following
this.
you guys. Oh, I gotta go
Oh.
get it since you want.
The here, flavor. Right here.
Oh, this is scary, all these pillars. There's the recording.
Where? I can't. My flashlight's on.
I'm probably right.
Oh, halfway there and we're both dead. What are those recordings even saying?
Like,
He's like, blah, 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 blah.
If you actually listen to
yeah, because he's talking in the voice, like,
Stop sprinting, Flavor, I can't keep up.
God, my first.
Hey, come in this room.
I'm just following.
do you see this
Oh god, where'd
blood
you guys
print
go?
against the wall?
Not like it really matters, I'm a ghost.
Oh shit, there's a fucking delta to the right of you. Oh, there's a tape in here.
Wait, where'd you go?
I feel disturbance in the forest. Very rare.
Take the tape out and get away as fast as you can. Don't listen to this tape. You hear me? Do not listen to it.
Do not listen. to
Yeah,
this tape,
I
bitch.
actually
Then
listened.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
I actually listened to it this time. And that's the only time
I
you
know,
told me
but
not
it
to
said
listen.
do not listen to the
Yeah.
tape.
Oh, Flavor, you're getting close. What happens if you beat it?
You become the monster.
What? You just gave away the whole game for me.
What you asked?
I know, I'm just
You
kidding.
look at your arms and like you're white and you're like, and it says like it has begun.
It has begun. They should make more indie games for multiplayer. That'd be fun.
They should make more like these.
Yeah. If they ever had like a
Like Slender
whoa.
Haunt, but multiplayer.
Oh, is that where one of us died?
No, my screen is pitch black. I can't see a thing except for Smiles.
Is your light off?
He pops up my. Yeah, it's dead. I can barely see. And I bet he's like tapping on my butthole right now. But
What? That's me.
Okay.
Sorry, that's me. I'm right behind you.
Oh shit, I've already been here.
Why's your light off anyway?
Oh, Jesus Lord! I'm dead.
5 times 12, 25.
12, that's not bad.
In memory of a rug.
Yay.
Soo Smiles, byFlavor.
Oh, was that the first one gone?
Yep.
That sucks.
Tape recorder sound. 2, 2,
Yeah, I suck.
1. Distance to walk.
Hey, I walked more than all of you though. And I didn't scream as much as you. I only screamed when I got killed. Alright.
Alright, look at the replay.
Replay.